Angle it down a little. All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about this battery-powered fan, which would be really awesome for like picnics. I'm sitting right here on this picnic table, so if I wanted to stay cool, I can just turn this on because it's run by a battery. It's got a 20,000 milliamp hour battery in it, and you can actually also charge your cell phone up with it. So if you're camping or you're picnicking, or you could even take it to like a sporting event, maybe you just want to stay cool in the stands and blow this on you. But yeah, I can charge my cell phone up with it. You can see, I don't know if you can see that. You can turn this fan on by pushing this button right here, or you can just turn it up. And it tells you down here what the percentage is at. And at the end here, I'm going to show you how I can hang it up in this canopy here and just let it run and almost be like a ceiling fan in my canopy. But here we have the button where you can turn it off and on, or you can even just turn this knob. Right now it's at 75%. We'll turn it all the way up. Now over here it shows that the fan is at 100%. The battery level in here is at 100% too. It shows your battery level over here. On this side we can set a timer for this fan to go off in 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. Or we can make it swivel back and forth like this. Definitely does feel really nice on a hot day like we have right here today. Really, really nice. And you can make it go different degrees, 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, or 120 degrees. And it also does come with a little remote, which will be really nice when I hang it from the top of this canopy. And one other thing this thing does have, which you're probably not going to see good because I'm outside, but this is a light. It's got, oh, you can see that. It's got a couple different brightnesses, so if you're using this at nighttime, you could turn that light on and be able to see. It's definitely a really, really cool light. Really cool. I like it. And it actually keeps you cool. But let me show you how you can hang this upside down. And one other thing, you can get this in orange and black or green and black. Let me turn it off while here's a little hook on the bottom. Let me unplug my phone. Just like that, we can hang it there. Maybe hang it right here. Angle it down a little. And then I can turn it on with the remote. Turn it all the way up. Make it go back and forth. Like that. I like it. I think another really nice feature of that hanging like that would be if you were using this inside a tent. Now another thing you can do if you're using this inside a tent, you can turn these little lights off by pushing this little moon button up here. Then it turns all the lights off on it so it's dark. So that way you don't have to worry about the lights bothering you at nighttime trying to sleep. But really cool little fan. I will have a link to this down in my description if you guys want to check it out. Thank you very much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and hit that subscribe button to help support this channel. God bless and have a great day.